Hello traders, today is the 9th of October, Monday, first trading day of the week. What an amazing beginning of the week, guys. Bank amazing profit. Let me share with you guys how we analyze the market on dollar CAD. That was the pretty straightforward. As you can see here, we were expecting pullback, and if you look at here, we have this impulsive and it looks sort of market developed correction, so we were expecting one more push. As mentioned, this if the market is going to break, we have this beautiful short trade here. Let me share with you guys how I analyze the entry. And if you look at here at the market open, this is the beautiful short trade bank few PPs. After banking some profit, market respected. We were expecting some reversal. So I said, guys, let's wait for the London mornings. As you can see here, the London morning session. And even London morning session, we haven't seen any volatility, but exactly what we're expecting here, looking for market to break this level. So at the New York session, around you can see around 1 p.m. London time, we explained to my trader more likely price might going to break. And if you look at here, based on this symmetry triangle pattern, market nicely broken. After the breakout, market nicely retest, give us the confirmation that's the high probability of continuation. And if you look at it, the bottom momentum was bearish, beautiful breakout, even market nicely broke on this level, beautiful short trade here. As soon as the price hit to the first target, as explained, my trader, it's time to enjoy amazing profit or move your stop loss at the break even. So most welcome. If you want to see all that analysis in real time with a full explanation through live audio commentary support, join our fast growing trader community, guys. Have a nice day.